and we're going to walk back, proving again to you that we're live. We're walking back to this Apex. Dalton's going to take us through it. And we have a special guest watching the Apex today. What's the name?
Chris.
Chris. So Chris, this is the unit that you asked Jamie about that you wanted to see. So Chris, fire the questions as we're taking you through it, so we make sure that we answer every question that you have. Chris is thinking about buying this one, and we sure do appreciate that. So we're going to show you the whole thing a little more detail. Go ahead, Dalton.
So Chris, you're at 29 feet even on this one, 8 feet wide. You have one slide on the opposite side. You're at about 5,000 pounds, rounded up about 20 pounds there. Of course, you have aluminum cage all the way around with the Asdale inside and outside. Block foam insulation in the walls. A little bit of pass-through storage here. I'm going to move our starter kit that you get with every camper over here with RV Wholesalers, but awesome pass-through storage there. Magnetic door holds with the slam latches there.
And normally those only come on motorhomes and high and fifth wheels, so that tells you a little something about the Apex.
Yep, tinted windows all the way around, and I believe that is a 20-foot awning already on this camper. Moving back here to the outside kitchen, you have yourself a fully plumbed in sink. Big deal there is that it is already hooked up to your gray tank, so it's going to run automatically into that tank. You're not having to remove that sink and dump it out into a gray tank dump somewhere in the camping spot there. And as David just showed you, the 2-burner cooktop. Outside 110 refrigerator. Reason I mentioned 110, it doesn't run off your battery like the inside one. Lots of storage on the outside as well.
There is very nice drawer there, cabinet up above, sink.
And of course an outside light. And of course a plug-in back there to put any kind of air fryer or anything like that you want to take with you.
Yeah, a lot of people do an air fryer. They're even doing ice maker. The little portable ice makers are super nice. I have one in my motorhome. I love it.
And I believe all the Apexes come with a solar panel already on them, so good to go there. Let's check out the inside of this camper.
And Chris, again, any questions, fire away. Anybody else, any questions, fire away.
So here we are in the inside. Directly above your dinette, you do have your TV. Lots of cabinetry on each side of the camper, excuse me. Glass doors on each side of there. And of course your dinette does double as a bed. Just remove these 2 posts and they'll drop directly down. Directly across from there is your theater seating. So basically sit down, just pull your little lever, and of course it does recline. But directly beside that is your kitchen.
Hey, real quick, Deborah asked, are we going to show any Class A motorhomes? Deborah, we are. We're going to show an FR3 and a Windsport, so stick with us. The Windsport's coming up within the hour. The FR3 will be a little bit later. And guys, again, we are live until 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Send your questions in.
Lots of counter space here, lots of cabinetry above, and again that awesome tan giving you that light exterior with those black countertops making it pop there.
Caroline heard there's a huge storage under the front bed. Is there, and can she see it if there is?
We're going to get to it because it is awesome storage underneath.
All right, Caroline, it's coming your way.
Lots of storage here in the kitchen. 3-burner cooktop so you can burn your grilled cheese like I like to do. And of course a nice little oven to make your Dolly Parton came out with all those cakes.
Oh, they're amazing too. Yeah, if you watch the finance video, people are wondering, do I have a brother? No, I was stung by a bee, or you might say I ate a lot of baked goods back then. I've lost a little bit of weight. Coming up, guys, is the 44 View. You're going to go crazy over it. You're going to absolutely love it. So call your friends and family, co-workers, smack them on the head, wake them up, tell them to get ready for this 44 View. Awesome. And Dalton, make sure you tell people how to get a hold of you, please.
Yep. Awesome single basin sink here with the stainless steel faucet on top of that. And of course, lots of storage directly above that. Directly behind the cameraman, Austin, here, you have your awesome bathroom, corner shower there. And of course, directly to his right is your vanity with the mirror. Awesome sink directly below that, porcelain toilet. And of course, to his left is lots of storage for all your linens and everything there. Directly behind him, of course, even more storage for the kitchen and everything. And in this specific model, 12-volt refrigerator, which of course you guys don't get a good view of, but awesome 12-volt refrigerator which helps run off that battery. You guys asked about this bedroom here. When you walk in, it just looks like a typical bed. Dual opposing sliding doors here, so that way you can shut off the bedroom and get that big reveal when you walk out in the morning to show everybody how fly you are. And lots of storage. But of course, when you lift up this bed, it goes all the way to the ceiling. And as you can see, storage on each side for all your socks, underwear, anything you want to take with you. And it goes all the way to the front there. You can actually step all the way in, so that way you can get to all your storage and everything. It also comes with a nice little laundry basket, so that way you can take that to your local laundromat. But of course, lots of storage. I can almost stand up in here, so that way you can get to everything. Makes great access for all your underbed storage. Even gives you the little nice pocket drawers and everything to get to. But awesome underbed storage on this camper. Apex does it right. And I love the little pocket doors, so that way you can make sure you get the big reveal when you walk out of the bedroom. Show everybody your nice Hawaiian shirt get up.
Did you show them that storage underneath for Caroline?
Oh yeah.
Good.
Yeah.